So hi everyone, thanks for having me. I'm pleased to be here. My name is Amy Stewart and I'm the head of business activation for the Bank of New Zealand. I think one of the things that we've been looking at from a supportive point of view is what we like to call a signature health check conversation. Essentially, it's a 360-degree exploratory view of your business, of the personal finance situation, as well as your future goals. These insights actually allow our bankers to make some really good recommendations on free tools that might be available through advisory networks, government-backed support in the form of grants or loans, or if needed, a debt solution that will support the business to reach the goals. For a number of our SME customers, the family home is actually secured against business lending. So we take a really holistic view and approach to all of our solutions so that we can make sure our customers are doing the right thing for their business and for their family. The business finance scheme is 80% backed by government, which actually enables the banks to provide a very affordable loan, 2.3%, over a 5-year term. The funds can actually be used for a wide range of challenges. Example, a decline in sales or payment collections, the need to purchase stock, pay rent, leases, additional vehicles or assets, and those are just some of the few. The use of the funds are actually really broad and available to a wide range of industry sectors. We do provide a lot of information around this on the website, and also our bankers are really experienced in this area and can talk you through the process. There's a number of ways that we're supporting business. So this could be a bit of a long list. One of the ways is, as I mentioned earlier, with the business finance scheme, we can work with you to restructure debts to a low interest rate, which will probably help with your cash flow, but also provide you with a more of a long-term security around what it is that you're trying to achieve. We could offer home loan payment deferrals or interest-only payments for a term of 6 months. And that's what Nicola was talking about in the previous section. We have removed pay wave fees for our merchant retailers, which is quite an important step, I think, in helping try to reduce some of the costs of doing business. Our asset finance package enables customers to refinance and secure lending against new assets instead of the family home, which actually can add a lot of security in terms of thinking you're not worried about what the impact of the business might mean in terms of the impact of your living arrangements. Our new platform, QuickBiz, provides fast access to capital without the need for additional security. And this is actually a bit of an exciting one for us because we were the first in New Zealand to launch this kind of solution, this straight-through processing accessible through a form online. So that's one of our signature products. We also extended trade credit repayment terms for our trade finance consumers to help them with cash flow, and extended term lending loan repayment terms. And finally, like I said, a long bucket list. Finally, we've actually got a really great team of BNZers who are passionate about supporting their customers. They take the time to really understand not just the business, but where the business is going and what your dreams and aspirations are. And, that could just be getting through the next few months, or that could be a much longer term goal. This is another first for New Zealand and something that we're actually really quite excited about. In its most simplest form, My Business Live is a smart dashboard. You can connect apps. So if you use anything from Xero to Facebook to Shopify, you'll be able to use My Business Live. What it does is it pulls all of those apps and the key pieces of information from those apps into one place so that you can actually make really fast decisions based on what those insights are showing you. One of the benefits of bringing the accounting and the banking information together is that you actually get this complete overview of your cash flow. It'll show everything from what your debtor days look like to next available funds to the money in, money out. questions you might have, that you can just have a quick look at your phone and see where you stand, or log on when you get home. If you do marketing on Facebook or Instagram to showcase your business, or to seek feedback from people, you can also connect those accounts to the dashboard, and Google Analytics will help you track how well that's actually working for you. Probably the most access area of My Business Live, though, are the downloadable tools and templates that we have. There is everything from a cash flow forecast template to a business plan health check, and that list is growing all the time. We are constantly adding new resources and constantly adding new templates that are designed to help you figure out where you sit now, where you're going, but also how to make everything a little bit easier. It's free, which is another reason why we're so excited about it. And you don't actually have to bank with us. So it is bank agnostic. So it doesn't matter who you bank with, you will be able to access everything on offer within that platform. Thank you very much for having me. It's been great to share some of the things that we're doing in this area to support businesses through this unsettled period. If you've got any questions, check us out on the internet, or we'll put details, I'm sure will be along here somewhere underneath the videos. So we look forward to hearing from you.